And a very good morning to you. Today is day 32, I believe. It is the 1st of October, and we are talking about events that occurred on the last day of month 30, September. Okay, so it is day 32, and recap of the 30th of September. So in the morning, I'm doing the brushing the teeth 3 times a day as the affirmative ritual message to the universe: vote for transformation. So that occurred. Then I had followed up on some land people who were interested in my land in Texas. I own 70 acres in Texas, right on the border of Mexico. I own this land I'm trying to sell. I'm committed to sell. And answered 2 people about that, actually more, but 2 people. Then I messaged one person back and saying, hey, I haven't heard from you. You expressed interest. So it's one of those things where, you don't get any, doesn't seem like it's going to sell at all, and then out of the blue somebody comes out and buys it. It's happened to me before. So that's what's going on with that. I did my normal exercise yesterday morning, 45 minutes with a 2-minute jog. Today I'm going for 3 minutes. 3 minutes of jog. It's oh my goodness. The 2 minutes is hard, but the 3 minutes is hard. So it's going to be much harder. So, but I'm committed to improving myself. So and working even despite the pain. And probably doctors would not recommend this, but even despite the pain, I'm going to be going ahead and because I want to. I want to get in good shape, and I want to, especially as a wellness coach. In order for me to have some credibility and talk to people about their wellness, I should eat my own cooking, right? I should be in that space too. So that's what they're actually working on with the program that I'm in, is giving me my transformation so that I can help other people make their transformation. And I think that's really powerful. And it really makes you, when you're the coach, it really makes you step up. It's like, okay, I've got to live this lifestyle that I'm preaching and I'm talking to other people about. And this can actually save people's lives, because like type 2 diabetes is 99% preventable with a proper diet. If it's done early enough, it's preventable, but people don't know. They live a certain lifestyle, and they have to make some changes. But if they're willing to make some of these changes, then their whole world can change. So I'm committed to that process, and so that's what I'm working on with Remote Wellness Academy. So in the afternoon, I got caught up on emails, and I have a checklist. I hadn't been doing the checklist. I'm going to start doing the checklist every day. I have to look at the checklist every day and clear out those items. Either put them on the calendar. So if I can't do it right away, like if there's a bill that needs to be paid, I pay it right away. It only takes me a minute. But if it takes more than a few minutes, I'm scheduling that activity. So on my calendar, there's a bunch of activities that I have scheduled, things that I need to do and complete, and that checklist is going to help me take care of that. All right, and then yesterday afternoon, a little bit of downtime. Still reeling from the hurricane. I play a little bit more of my game, so I started playing the game. I like to see the game to the end. It's like you're reading a book. You kind of want to know what the ending is. I'm playing on a difficult level, so it's not something that I ordinarily do. But when I start doing it, I like to see it through. I like to play the game to the finish. So it's a long, drawn-out game. So, just a little bit of relaxation there. I played the game a little bit. Then I paid all my bills for the first of the month, for the beginning of the month. And then I also attended the Century 21 training. It was an hour and a half on yesterday, Friday afternoon. In the evening, I completed the remote wellness module. I didn't complete it because there's a homework that spans over like 6 days. But I listened to the video, the opening video, and that video is 2 hours and 10 minutes. So that was a long video. And then I commented on my own transformation, but there's still a lot of homework. So that module is not complete. And then there's also a water exercise. I'm on day 2 of that water exercise. It's basically observation for 3 days and then changing my water habits a bit for, basically, if you're drinking, you need to drink whatever your body is in weight, you need to drink half of that in ounces. So if you weigh 200 pounds, you should drink 100 ounces of water, every day is what they recommend. So I don't weigh quite 200, but it's probably about 85, 90 ounces of water is what I need to drink. So then, so yesterday the gym was closed because they were still working with the hurricane, and then they finally reopened. And when I got word that they reopened, I went to the gym yesterday evening. And I did walk 15 minutes on the treadmill. So I did 45 minutes of walking earlier, and then I did 15 minutes at the gym, and then I did the massager. So I did an hour worth of walking. And just going to the gym, so I'm committed to go to the gym every single day, whether I do anything at the gym or not. The goal is, it's not a goal, it's a commitment. The commitment is to go into the gym and suit up. And from what I do from there, if I don't feel good, I can just go to the massage chair and get the massage. I can put the clothes in, walk around the gym once, and then go back into the locker room and put my clothes back on and leave. But I am walking in that door. I am checking in on the app. The only reason I didn't do it the last 2 days is because they were closed for the hurricane. Otherwise, I would have been in that gym every single day. Every single day that they're open, I'm going to be there. So that's like, again, that goes to like the brushing of the teeth 3 times a day. It's an affirmative voting action for transformation. It's telling the universe that, hey, I'm transforming, and I'm really serious about this, and you need to give me what I'm seeking, because I'm going and I'm doing something completely different. You do different things, you get different results. I really believe that. So, and then in the evening I played a little bit more of the game, and then after that I was exhausted, and I went to bed. After that, I didn't get a great night's sleep, but I did okay. So that's basically it. Like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you.